Hi, I'm Miss Sloan, and this is my wonderful Period 2 AP Bio class. Say hi.
Hi.
And so we're talking about photosynthesis today. There are two reactions. The light-dependent reaction that's going to occur along the thylakoid membranes of the chloroplast. And then the light-independent reaction, what are some other names for it?
The
Dark reaction, old school, or the Calvin cycle. And that occurs in the stroma. So on the light-dependent reaction, it starts by splitting water. When you split water in half, you get two things. You get oxygen and hydrogen. The oxygen is released. Yay for us, we're breathing it. The hydrogen is also split. You have the hydrogen ions that are going to contribute to the proton pump. And then the electrons from the hydrogen are going to move through the electron transport chain. First, photosystem number 2. And in photosystem 2, you have an acceptor called PQ who will also bring some more hydrogen ions in. So we have a difference in what? Concentration. What else? Charge and pH. And we can use that to make ATP. Yes? The electrons get excited a second time, those same electrons from the hydrogen ion, and this time we're going to use them to reduce NADP. Then we can take both the ATP and the NADP to the Calvin cycle so we can synthesize some glucose. So we have a song for you on this, and these guys are going to help me with it. Here we go. Water, 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 water. What are we going to do? Break it in half. What do we get? Oxygen and electrons. Sweep, sweep. What photosystem are we in? 2. How many electrons do we have? 2. We're sweeping those hydrogen ions in so we can make some? Here we go. Here comes the sun, traveling in waves. Particles of light are called photons. And it gets the electrons excited. Na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. PQ, also contributing to the hydrogen ion gradient so you can make some ATP. Okay, so you can make some ATP. Now we're in photosystem 1. Here comes the sun, traveling in waves. Particles of light are called photons. And it gets the electrons excited. Na-na-na-na-na. Who catches it? NADP, forming reduced NADP. Then you take some ATP and some reduced NADP to the dark reaction, or the Calvin cycle, or the light-independent reaction. Stay tuned for part 2.